Big excitement today. Got my first pro level saw. Just picked it up today. It's the MS 261 CM, and I bought it for a replacement, not so much for my big saw. This has been my primary saw. I got an MS 291, and it's a rancher style saw, and this thing has done a nice job, but it's got, I believe it's almost 60 cc's. This one's a 50 cc, but the advantage to this one is the weight. This one is 3 pounds lighter. It's a 50.5 cc engine, I'm pretty sure. But I moved up from, I have another saw, and this has always just been my backup saw, what I call a pinch saw. But this is kind of a homeowner saw. Not the most powerful saw in the world. I don't even know what the engine displacement is on this one, but it's done okay. But it's considered a wood boss, and like I said, it's more of a just kind of a rancher saw or a homeowner saw versus the professional saw. So this one I'm going to be selling. It's reached its usefulness with me. I've been cutting every single day now, but I haven't fired this thing up yet, and I wanted to kind of do it here. So without further ado,